How to use Asana as a virtual assistant. Create an account on Asana and set up your workspace to manage tasks and daily work. Create projects for different types of work, such as client tasks, content creation, and personal planning. Add clear tasks inside each project so you always know what work needs to be completed. Set due dates for tasks so you can track deadlines and stay organized. Break big tasks into smaller subtasks to make the work easier to complete. Add notes, files, or instructions to tasks so all important information stays in one place. Use the calendar view to see upcoming work and plan your schedule. Create recurring tasks for regular work such as checking emails or updating reports. Turn on notifications and reminders so you do not miss deadlines or meetings. Review and update your task list every day to keep your virtual assistant workflow organized and productive. Thank you for watching.